Morning, Mr. Luke.
Morning, Magnus. How are you?
Oh, very well. Another beautiful morning on the river. And I was looking at the calendar and realised it's been a year.
Yeah, it has. It's been a while. Not for the lack of trying. Definitely not for the lack of trying.
I think as we've progressed the journey, I enjoy spacing it out a bit.
Yeah, I agree. I do enjoy spacing it out. Actually, I think about the question of what we're going to do when we're done, actually, because it's been a pretty substantial part of our planning for some time now. So
Yeah.
it's definitely been an enjoyable trip thus far, and as much as I want to get to the end, I still want to enjoy the trip. So, but working with tides and all that sort of stuff.
Between family and work and tides,
Yep.
there's only so many opportunities, and there's three of us, and it all has to work.
Yep.
So kicking off here today, the Goodna Boat Ramp, high tide, and we're going to Indooroopilly, which is about 22 k's downstream. And I'm hoping we can make that comfortably by low tide, which is probably about 5 hours from now.
Yeah, going on the run-out tide should definitely give us an advantage to do that.
So Gary here is surveying the riparian situation, and he's displeased. What's going on?
I live further upstream on this river, and I see some of the plants and trees that we've introduced, and I was kind of hopeful that it hadn't got this far down, but obviously it will in floods. But you see balloon vine, there's glycine, we got cat's claw just back there, there's dead trees from that, Chinese elm just behind you here, there's castor oil everywhere on that Cockatoo Island. Just Lucina, that was introduced as cattle feed, for God's sake, just gone wild. Oh, cattle love it, and it makes the meat really nice, but it's when it gets wild, as soon as it's outside that property, it's not their responsibility anymore. It's going all the way along a lot of some of our roads and railways and obviously our rivers.
So behind me, you can see that bank. That bank would be, I reckon, 100 to 300 metres long, and it is just red dirt. There is nothing else on that. And that's on the outward bend, so that's on the erosion side of the bend. And that house, there's a pool on that house. But come to the right of this house, and this is what Gary's been talking about the whole time we've been doing this trip. You come to the right of that house and you look here in the riparian zone. We've got some older gums. Yes, we've got some Chinese elm and some invasive species, but we've actually got some stuff trying to hold the bank together. That there is just arid, pure erosion. And like, what do you do to repair that?
Where's your plan to finish?
Hey?
Where do you plan to finish?
So finish is Juno Point.